the hospital food mukbang. We have mac and cheese, fruit bowl, salad. What's that? Wait, dressing and water. Is that okay?
Water.
Oh, and we got salt. Not that bad.
Doesn't taste the same way.
Doesn't taste like how we usually make it.
It doesn't taste a certain way. It just tastes plain.
It doesn't taste like the Spanish sazon. But this morning we had Jewish food. We didn't know it was Jewish until she came in. She was like, "Are you Jewish?"
Yeah, because she's retarded.
The food's not bad. Look, it's very cheesy. I'm gonna get that wrong. It's very cheesy. So it's really a mukbang, so we were talking about things. YouTube stuff.
Ha-ha.
Don't start your ha-ha shit.
Ha-ha.
I'm gonna share. Wait, should we show our view and our tour?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna show you our view.
We're gonna start it off here. Like.
No, we gotta walk in. We gotta close this. Okay, so our next is our. I'm gonna put this out. This is why we can't do mukbangs. You see, I'm over here struggling and you over there struggling with fruit.
Okay. Like it. Wow. Take it easy, man.
Your fork's not done.
Ha-ha.
So do you want to tell them what this is? It's a fruit bowl.
grapes.
It's a fruit bowl.
Forgot what that is. I forgot what that is.
What? That? Cantaloupe.
Yeah. Orange, green. Greens,
Cantaloupe.
beans, potatoes. So, is there another fork?
No, but we got a spoon. Yeah.
Hold on. Let me try this.
He wants to be extra.
It tastes good.
It has a little sweetness into it. Not bad. Yo, when dumbness really strikes. Yeah, I want to see these flowers. They're so cute. They got glitter on it. Can they even see the glitter, Derek? You know, we're gonna just put glitter into them.
Take a cup. We have to show them what we're eating, by the way.
Oh, we did show them what we're eating.
No, like what we're gonna eat.
Have a grape. If that falls, I'm alive.
Oh no.
I just had an orange cantaloupe, not my lemon green cantaloupe.
Yeah, you ain't kinda.
I think after this we're gonna take a nap.
Not me.
Yeah, you. Probably me.
Probably you. You a girl.
What that mean? You're so sexist. Our last bowl was this, but I don't eat tomatoes or onions, and this is not really lettuce. Oh wait, there's a cucumber in here though. Three cucumbers.
I call it.
That could have been there for days.
Alright, so we're gonna skip over the salad. That's it.
This was our famous mukbang. So that was our mukbang for the day. Stay tuned for our next video, right, Derek?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Okay, bye-bye.